Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen on Minecraft when you launch the game. So it can be a lot of reasons, but the first that come to my mind is mods. So if you recently put the mods to your Java Edition, here just try to delete that latest mod and then look if the problem persists. In my case it was player health indicator. When I deleted the mod and went to the game is, as you can see here, is launched. Another thing that can be your outdated GPU drivers, and to fix that you go to device manager, look for your GPU here, right click on it, update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. If using a better GPU like NVIDIA or AMD, chances are high that you have an app for that. So you can go to app, go to drivers, and then you can install drivers from this list here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.